guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing my room tour for my college apartment. This is my first apartment ever, so I really wanted to make it a really comfy space, especially because quarantine. I'll be in here a lot for COVID. If you're not already subscribed, follow me on Instagram.
Subscribe, bitches. Just kidding. Sorry. Start with
maybe like
this
is the door. Next to the door I have this. Can you see you?
Yeah, I was not prepared, but that's how mirrors work.
I'll have everything linked down below if I can find links for it. This is from Target. It was like $5–10. You can see wholesale. I put like my purse, my backpack, my mask on it, and it's just like nice to have it here. And then this, oh, you can see my gross toes. I haven't gotten a pedicure in a while.
It's okay.
This is a basket that I got from Amazon. I got it like 2 days ago because I always had my shoes right here because it was kind of like a landing area for my shoes. But when my whole room was clean and then I just had like a bunch of shoes, it didn't look good. So I just have them on here. And it's a nice basket. But since I got it, it's still not like round yet. That's that. Okay, so over here is my desk. There was actually a desk that came with this apartment. It kind of came furnished, and then I like brought the desk to my parents' house and brought this one because the desk was really annoying, and like it had like these like things at the end that would catch my clothes and rip them, and it was like an everyday annoying thing. So I just brought my desk from home here, Mickey desk from Ikea, and I think it just like it looks nicer because it's not as like big. There's not a ton of space in this apartment, so I wanted it to make the most sense. And then I also have this chair from Ikea, and then I have this like blanket because it's freaking cold in here. The chair always gets really cold in the morning, so I have a blanket on it. This mirror, everyone always asks me where it's from. It's from Costco, Amazon Alexa. Oh no, never mind. And then I have this mirror. I've had this mirror for like 8th grade. And then I always leave a candle lit. This one's from Target, fall. Yeah. I have makeup brushes, and then this is from Target, and that's cute. Wow. And then I also have my TV on the wall. And then I have this little thing that hides the cords because I thought it looks nicer. Over here, we have my full-length mirror from Target.
Ooh la la.
Who is that cutie holding the camera? This is like the best mirror ever. I feel like I don't use it that much because it's kind of like annoying walking all the way over here. But I think it looks really nice here, you know? So standing at the legs.
Oh, yes.
It's really pretty. We love her. And then over here, I have like my full-length windows. There's like 2 of them. And then we have like the blackout curtains. Oh no. Wow. It's like a nice sound. On the windowsill, I just have 2 photos right here. This one is of my doggy. How cute. So cute. This is a frame from Target, and I got a picture that was too small for it. So I literally Sharpied on the cardboard and made it black.
You Sharpied?
Yeah, like do you know what I'm talking about? Like I made it darker.
I do know what you're talking about. That takes a lot of work.
It smelled so like toxic with like, the chemicals in the air. And then I have this picture of me and my friend Emma and Kiara, and this frame is from Ikea. It's so cute. Yeah, but I just like having those pictures here. I also have this piece of tape right here, which is random, to hide this because sometimes I put my camera here, and that's a thing. Wait, should I show the beam? Okay, this thing, can you see that thing? This thing, there's like this little air conditioning unit. Can you see me? There's this little air conditioning, you can't see, but there's this little air conditioning unit, and I put these twinkly lights from Amazon around it, and they're really cool because they're 2 different like light things, but they connect to one remote, and it was like really cheap, and I thought it was cool. Also, people are always asking me like what's wrong with my ceiling. Like I didn't choose the ceiling. There's also like chalk on it. Do you see? Yeah. Like whoever lived here last like wrote on it. So over here we obviously have my bed. This is where I get like every question ever about this. Oh, I also forgot to mention I have my closet right here. It has like these mirrors. That's like by the entrance, obviously. Oh, not by the entrance. You know what I mean? On the wall of the door. Yeah, I always get a ton of questions about my bedding, my pillows, my throw blanket, like everything. People are always like, where do you get that from? I will have it all linked down below. On my Instagram, I also have like a highlight with like links from everything. So if you guys want to check that out too. Where should I start? Should I start my bed? Yeah. Okay. Actually, every single thing on my bed is from Target. My bed
is from Target?
Yeah. That is the best thing ever. This room is freezing at night, and that's like a really thick, like chunky, like throw blanket that I literally put every blanket that I own on top of me because it's so cold and it's nice. So I really like that, and I think it like adds something to the room. And then obviously the bedding is from Target. I got like beige colored sheets that match that. They're by the same company, so I think it like ties it in well, and it's not too much white because that's what I was afraid of. And then all the throw pillows are from Target. This one I bought in the store. This one I got online and spent $40 on because I know I'm like embarrassed about it, but the shipping was what really screwed me over. But it was cute, and I think I'm okay with it. It's also my nap pillow because if I have like foundation on, I can like nap on the back side of this and no one will know. Like that's really, it was worth every $40 that I spent on it, every penny. This is a blanket No. This is a pillow that I had last year. It's also from Target, and it's kind of like not so white anymore. It's kind of, do you see how it's like dirty? I think it's from like when I throw it on the floor at night. But it's like cool, right? Like I like it, but like
dimension.
Yeah, it's just a little dirty, but I like the bedding. I like how there's some color. That's what I wanted. The headboard, oh my god, the headboard. I probably get a DM about this every day at minimum. This room actually came with the headboard, and I took it off and I put this one on it. This one's not like a typical headboard. It's actually like a picture frame that you like mount to your wall, so it's hung onto my wall like a picture is, and it's from Urban Outfitters. It was like hundreds of dollars cheaper than like other ones that I've seen because it's not like a whole headboard, so that's really nice. So again, I'll have that link down below, but it's actually for a queen bed, and this is a full bed, but I don't think it looks stupid. The nightstand, that one I have a ton of like cords to like my laptop on because
look at all the pretty cords.
Yeah, I always drop it, like my iPhone charger. I drop my iPhone charger at night, so I just kind of funnel that through there. And then under that one, I have a basket from IKEA, which is like some cords and chargers and stuff like that. I always get questions about these nightstands too. I almost didn't get them, but I feel like the room like wouldn't look complete without them. It just kind of looked like empty. They're from Walmart, but they're by a brand called, oh god, what is it? I forgot, but I'll link them down below. They're like pretty tall nightstands because this bed is tall, because I don't know if you can see this under here. These are really annoying because they always open. I close them and then they always open. But
it has drawers?
Yeah, so these are actually two dressers that are separate from the bed. So like I can move them around. Some people like stack them on top of each other, but my bed is really tall because these are under it. So this is where like I put underwear, shorts, pajamas, like workout clothes, stuff like that.
I did not know you were hiding that there. You're a little sneaky.
But because of that, this bed is like really tall, like compared to like my hip. Like it's pretty tall, so I needed to find tall nightstands. These ones I think looks better with the original desk because I think it like all tied in, but like now that I got the newer desk. But I like it that it's tall. It has wood here and then like a little shelf down here on this one. I have some books that I've been reading. A picture of me and Kayla. Hi. And then just like my hydro, and then my TV remote. These lamps, they're from Target. Both the shade and the base are from Target. I think they're really cute. I wanted to go for like a wood and like black and like white and neutral. That was kind of like the vibe. And they're also really nice because there's no lights in this room.
Yeah, what the heck?
Yeah, there's
no fan, no light.
Yeah, and then I also have this light. This is the Starlight. This is from Amazon. It's the best thing ever. It projects like a galaxy onto the wall of my TV, and then my TV has like one of those light strips behind it that makes it glow. So like all together, it's just like a cool vibe.
All
yeah,
the vibes.
I really like it. I'll have that link down below. Check it out. Okay, and then I guess the last thing is this guy. This is what everyone wants to know about. Yeah, people always ask me where I got this. And the thing about it is, I didn't get it anywhere. It was kind of like a DIY in a way. Well, not like I didn't do it, but someone else did. I think I got the mirrors from Home Depot, and so they're just basically like round mirrors, and then these wood shell things were not on them originally. So we had someone basically take some planks of wood, sand them down, stain them, and like soften out the edges, and then he literally glued wood onto these mirrors. Yeah, you can't really like buy them anywhere. I found a bunch of inspiration pictures that I liked, and they were $1,000 for a mirror. I was like, I'm not gonna pay that. So this was like a lot more inexpensive.
It's so cute.
I know. So I have a bigger one and a smaller one. This one I really like because it's like on the edge. This vase, a lot of people ask me questions about it. It's from IKEA, and it's typically pink, and then I painted it with this like matte terracotta color that I got. I think it looks really good. This is like some like fake pampas. It's not even pampas grass, but I like Google pampas grass.
It looks like cattail.
Oh.
Kind of.
I don't.
A thing like that. Don't assault me in the comments. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Now I'm like not like you.
Why not?
Well, okay, so it's from Amazon, and I typed in like small pampas grass, and that's what came up. And it was supposed to be white, and it's definitely not white, but I still think it looks cute.
It matches like the beige vibe we're going for.
I really wanted like a very neutral, like I didn't want any like greenery in here, like I just wanted it to be literally like, all neutrals. And then this little picture frame that I have right here is from HomeGoods, and then I made, do you see how cute that is? I made that in Procreate on my iPad. That's a picture of me and my friend Lauren, and I like digitally made that one. I really like. It's the bigger one. Those little candles on them, this one and then the one that looks like it, are both from Target. It's like the Chip and Joanna line, the Magnolia one, you know what I'm talking about? I thought those were nice because this one kind of tied into the wood on the picture frame, and the other one tied into the wood here. That picture frame, I also have it on my window shelf thing, but that's another photo of my dog. And then the the other candle that I have, like one with the gold lid, that one is from Nordstrom Rack. It smells so good, but I'm not gonna light it because I'm afraid it would like catch on fire up there. You know what I mean? Like that would be really bad. Those are books that I bought from Goodwill and I painted them. One of them was with the color that I used for the terracotta.
She's so crafty.
With the same color here. The other one was just like in beige, and then I had like some black paint, and I used some paint markers, and I wrote Taylor Swift lyrics on them. I get so many questions of people being terrified that these are gonna fall on my head.
Just be prepared.
Okay.
Just sleep with a helmet on. There you go. Problem solved. Thanks for watching my channel. I'll see you guys next time.
That was really bad.
We're so dumb.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Like I said a million times, everything that I can find links to, I will have links down below for them. If you're not subscribed,
Get on it. What are you waiting for? I got you. Don't worry.
thank you, thank you. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I also have links to everything there if it's easier. I don't know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.
I'm sorry.